कट मार रहा, सही लग रहा है।
Hey guys, we have just checked out from the Kiputhang hotel and we are in North Sikkim. We are heading to Lachung now, and there is Lachung and there is Lachain. So La means mountain, Chung means Chota, the Chota mountain. Lachain is La means mountain, Chain means Bada. So it's Bada mountain, Chota mountain. But we can't go to Lachain because the temperature has been dropping and there is low oxygen level there, and roads are also not good. So but we'll be going to Kota Valley. I'll just show you the Kota Valley. That's the Kota Valley which we are, I think so it is Kota Valley or something like that. But yeah, here this is where we are going. So guys, we are ready to head to Lachung, and last night I couldn't show you the view. Check this out now. It's quite sunny, but the temperature might be around 5 to 6 degree right now, but it's good that the sun rays are at least thoda heat to mil rahi hai. It's a very good climate. Last night it was just like -1, -2, but we had a good time having a brandy and in the campfire, so everything was nice. So I'll keep you updated. We are heading to this mountain behind, so it's a quite good start today. After this view, everything is relaxed, and I'll keep you updated on the further journey.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
that is a China border, and you know we have been told not to go there. It's been fully restricted area, and they claim that there are mines there, you know, mines hidden. So अगर हमारा पाँव पड़ेगा उनके ऊपर तो हम लोग you know explode हो सकते हैं. And I'll tell you, this is so beautiful, man. I just love this place. It's very nice. It's calm. As I always say, mountains are calling and we have to go. So guys, Radhe just walked from the car and he's exhausted.
guys.
कैसे
बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है.
हाँ, ये जो तुझे पहना है
और सांस
तो नहीं लगता तेरे को
एक्चुअली
ठंडी है?
मुझे पिक खींचना है इसलिए मैंने पहना हुआ है.
क्योंकि टी शर्ट रिपीट नहीं हो
अंदर से
सकते.
हाँ, अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा फट रही है क्योंकि ठंडी ज़्यादा नहीं है बट सांस फूल रही है क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ऊपर है.
सांस लेने में थोड़ा
हाँ,
दिक्कत हो
बहुत
रही है.
दिक्कत हो रही है. इनफैक्ट आप देखोगे ना व्यू
यूँ तो दिखा है उनको.
बहुत खतरनाक है.
North Sikkim is the
North
best,
Sikkim
ना?
is the best part of India.
हाँ.
You should visit once.
सिक्किम में
get a
सबसे
chance.
अच्छा नॉर्थ सिक्किम ही है. और
नॉर्थ
लाचुंग
सिक्किम ही
में आ
है.
जाओ.
और लाचुंग में आके अब जब भी लाचुंग आना एक बार लाचुंग में स्टे करना
हाँ, ये
तभी
उनके-
आपको
हम-
लिटरली यू कैन फील द वाइब्स. मॉर्निंग एंड द इवनिंग वाइब्स ऑल्सो.
so peaceful.
बहुत पीसफुल प्लेस है. लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं और आपको हर तरह से हेल्प करेंगे. और यहाँ पे हम लोग जिस साइड पे आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे आने के लिए आपको अराउंड 3000 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा देने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ समाओ
ये
इंडिया
चाइना
है,
का
पता-
बॉर्डर है.
इंडिया का पता है
तो-
आपको. थोड़ा बहुत तो घुसखोरी चलती है तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको देना पड़ेगा. वो आपका ड्राइवर जो भी रहेगा एक बार उससे बात कर लो, वो सेट कर देगा. अदरवाइज आपको नीचे से ही जाना
और
पड़ेगा.
ड्राइवर सब सेट करता है.
हाँ,
याद रख.
ड्राइवर सब सेट करता है. ये याद रख लो. सो बाय, टाटा. मेरी तो बहुत ज़्यादा फट रही है. आपको भी आओ, आपको भी फील होगा ये चीज़.
So let's end this by saying that Sikkim is so beautiful and you guys have to be here, man. It's like it's one of the best experience I had in my life and it will be a memorable one. Sikkim will stay in my heart forever. And yeah.
भूख लगी है.
बहुत तेज भूख लगी है.
उन्होंने कहा तो हमने कहेंगे.
Serious people, how they are eating. भुक्कड़ साले.
जो भी हम ज़्यादा नहीं खाते.
Just before this video, they didn't see you. No?
I'm the first one to get up, bro.
क्योंकि तुम पहला राउंड में एक माउंटेन बना के उसको पेल दिया तुमने.
झूठ, ये आदमी झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
हिमालय से आके थाली में भी हिमालय बना लिया.
पूरे सिक्किम में भी हम लोग ने इतना बड़ा माउंटेन नहीं देखा जितना तूने
पूरी थाली में देखा हुआ है.
और कुछ. चलो बाय बाय.
अभी भाई.
So guys, we have just halted for food. We had even halted here yesterday and today also we are, because the food is awesome here. You know, it's just like fresh, as if you know it is directly from the farm without any pesticides. And you know, we had green leafy vegetable yesterday and dal, rice, papad and one aloo jeera. All right, and this is the second day and I'll just introduce you to my driver. I'll just introduce to our driver. And ये हमारे भैया है जिसने हमको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से लेके आए. मतलब रोड्स बहुत छोटे छोटे थे एंड ही हैज़ डन अ गुड जॉब. आपका नाम बताओ.
मिंगमा शेरपा.
हाँ, थैंक यू दिग्मा जी.
वेलकम सर.
ओके, और आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
नहीं.
आ जाओ सिक्किम.
आप लोग खुश है तो मैं बहुत
हम बहुत मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं गैंगटॉक और गैंगटॉक छोड़ देंगे हमको. तो या तो ये जगह का नाम क्या है जहाँ पे हम लोग खाने आ रहे हैं अभी? नॉर्थ सिक्किम टूम जगह है. चलो बाय बाय. here now. I just want to introduce people. She's been busy in the kitchen. They allowed me, that's a big thing. And these are the people who made this food. They are so good. तो आपका नाम बताओ पहले तो.
मेरा नाम सुशीला है, इसका नाम
अच्छा,
मेरा प्रथम है
तो ये प्लेस का नाम क्या है?
टुंग है.
Tung, na? So next time when you come to Tung, please visit these people and and have the best experience, food experience. And I want to tell you one thing is that food was very good.
Thank you.
बहुत सही खाना था and we enjoyed it and God bless the food and the people who made it. So that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you. चलो bye bye.
ये होटल में हमने
Hey
पापड़ नहीं
guys,
बोला
we
यार।
are right now walking on the street of MG Road, and I did this shopping. And the best part is it is very clean. It's plastic free. I can't see any car or bike or nothing, not even a bicycle. That's it. We are done with Sikkim now. We have traveled north and then west and east, and today the journey is done. We are leaving to Siliguri tomorrow. Alright, and then day after tomorrow morning we have a flight from Bagdogra to Mumbai, and I'll be reaching to Goa on 16th morning, and then I'll be back to Goa. The first thing I'll be doing is going on the beach and doing one nice meditation session over there, and because I miss Goa. At the end it is there is no place like Goa, I will tell you. Okay, and mountains are calling is done. Now Goa is calling and I have to go there back. So yeah guys, that's it. Chalo, bye bye and see you in my next vlog.